is multiplication. Write the same examples that we have taken. 2, 3 and 4 we will write. So 2 into 3 into 4. Combine them like how we have done. So 2 into 3 into 4 will come multiply first. Will be multiplied first. So 3 4s are 12 and 12 2s are will become 12 2s are is 24. Again we will write the same numbers. This time we will combine 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 into 4. 6 into 4 gives you 24. Okay. Now in multiplication both the answer are same. Let us go to the division. Two divided by 3 divided by 4. Combine 3 and 4. So 2 divided by 3 divided by 4, that we can write as 3 by 4. So when divide gets multiplied, divide becomes multiplication, the number gets reciprocated. That means 4 will go at top, 3 will come at the bottom, and will come multiply. 2 4s are 8 and 3 1s are 3. So the answer came is 8 by 3. The other one, two divided by 3 divided by 4. Let us combine 2 and 3 first. Two divided by 2 by 3 divided by 4. 2 by 3, when divide gets into multiplication, so 4 also gets reciprocated. So we know that 4 is a 1 below it, so 1 will go on top, 4 will come down at bottom. And this one will be equal to, when you multiply, this one will become 2 by 12 or 1 by 6. So we can say that 1 by 6 and 8 by 3 are not same. They are different answers. So 1 by 6 and 8 by 3 are not same. So let's find out. For addition, both of the answers came same. In however way you combine the numbers, the answers are coming same. However way you associate the numbers, the answers are coming same for addition. For subtraction, the answers are not coming same. One of them was 3, the other one was -5, so it was not same. Multiplication also, the answers were same. In however way you combine the numbers, you associate the numbers, the answers will be same. For division, answer will not be same. You see the answer here for first one is 8 by 3, the second one became is 2 by 12 or 1 by 6. That means it is not same. Okay, so finally we can say associativity for whole number is applicable. For addition, it is not applicable. For subtraction, it is applicable. For multiplication, but it is not applicable for division. Okay, so here we are. Next type of number that we will do, it is integers, and the property is associativity. So we will see now the associativity property for integers. Okay, so for associativity, the second type of numbers are integers. So let us take examples of integers. Let us take 3 examples of integers. I am taking 2, 3 and -4. 2, 3 and -4 are the 3 examples of integers. Okay, so let us add them first. we know that this is an associativity property, so we have to associate numbers. So let us associate 2 and 3 first. 2 and 3 I have associated or put them inside the bracket. 2 plus 3 equals to 5. 2 plus 3 5, and plus minus is minus. Plus minus is minus 4. So 5 minus 4 equals to 1. 5 minus 4 becomes 1. Okay. Now let us try the association in different way. Writing the same examples again. 2 plus 3 plus minus 4. Now this time let us associate 3 and 4. Okay, so it will be 3 plus minus is minus. 3 minus 4 inside the bracket. 3 minus 4 equals to minus 1. 2 plus minus is minus. So 2 plus minus minus 1, and 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Now in this way we have added the integers 2, 3 and minus 4. We have added the now integers in this way first, and the result was 1. Then we have added these integers again in a different way by putting brackets in other numbers, and the result was again 1. Okay, now going to the next, that is subtraction. We will choose the same integers as earlier. 2 minus 3 minus 4. We will combine 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is there inside the bracket. So first of all, we will solve 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 equals to minus 1. And minus will become plus. So minus 1 plus 4. So plus 4 will bring on first, and then minus 1. So 4 minus 1 will become 3. 4 minus will become 3. We'll change the brackets now. We'll put the brackets into other numbers now. We are putting the brackets now for 3 and minus 4. Minus will become plus. Here 2 minus 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 3 plus 4, 7. 2 minus 7 will be minus 5. Now in subtraction, the first answer was 3, and when you combine the other numbers, the answer came as minus 5. So there are two different answers. Let us go to the multiplication now. I have combined 2 and 3. So when you multiply 2 and 3, you will get 6 into minus 4. So 6 into minus 4. So plus minus will become minus first of all, and 6 4s is 24. So the first answer is 24, that is minus 24. The first answer we have got. Writing the same examples again. Let us associate 3 and 4 now. So when you multiply 3 and 4, that is 3 and minus 4, you will get minus 12. and when you multiply 2 and minus 12, it will be equal to minus 24. So here you have taken two examples, and the examples are same, but you have done it in two different ways where combination are different and the results are coming same. So in multiplication the answers are coming same. Let us go to the division now. So 2 divided by 3 divided by minus 4. Let us combine 2 and 3. So this will become 2 by 3 first, divided by minus 4, we can write a 1. Okay. So divide becomes into, and this number gets reciprocated. Becomes minus 1 by 4. Cancelling 2 and 4, we will get minus 1 by 6. Okay. Let us combine them again. This time combination of number is 3 and minus 4, and we have to divide them. Divided by 3 by minus 4. Now that equals to when you change the divide to into, the number gets reciprocated. So 3 by 4 will become 4 by minus 3, or 3 by minus 4 will become 4 by minus 3. Now the final answer of this one will become 8 by minus 3. So the same number were combined in different styles. One answer was minus 1 by 6, and when it was combined in the other way, the answer became 8 by minus 3. So therefore, we can say for division the answer are coming differently. Finally, we can say this associativity property for integers, the addition, the answer are coming same in both of the cases. For subtraction, the answer are not coming. So for addition it is applicable, for subtraction it is not applicable. For multiplication again the answers are coming same. So this one is also applicable, and for division the answers are not coming, different answers are coming. So therefore we can say this is also not applicable. Yes. So we have seen the first one, that is whole number, the second one, that is the integers. Now we will see the third one, that is the rational number for associativity.